you a makeup tutorial video. I'll show you how to add some shimmery purple to your eyes, put some lipstick, put some blush on. So yeah, we got our own brushes and everything. You want to show them? Oh guys, and this, you can get the unicorn ones online. They're so pretty. Yeah. Like this, I can be matching. Yeah, I can be matching with this. Because I got the color. Okay, so, yeah. So, look. This is the palette I'm going to use for the blush. And show them what you're going to be using. I'm going to be... Destiny is going to be using the real tongue. I don't know. Guys, if you know what this is, starts with the R, leave it down in the comments below. And this is what I'm using, the same thing. These colors and stuff. Yeah, baby. Okay, so let's get started! So guys, we're going to show you our lipsticks real quick. Yeah, I'm about to brush it out of here because it's blocking the lipstick. I don't know why. So bored, lazy.
It's my lipstick.
You're a unicorn? Unicorn? Okay, I'll get it in a minute, okay? This is what it says. And it's bright. This is the color. Look. I sometimes forget which way to shut it in. Okay, let me get your lipstick. I love this color. I tested on me and I loved it. That's how it is. Hey, how about we switch? Yeah! Okay, because she loves the unicorn one and I love this one. So today we're going to be using this one. You can switch if you want to. Yeah. Only if you're sisters. You can't switch with anyone else. You only have to switch if you're sisters. So yeah. So, okay, the brush I'm going to be using today is, if you want to do a shimmery, you have to use like these flat brushes right here. You see the flat ones? You have to do like that kind of flat ones.
And then these kind of flat ones?
Yes, you're going to be using that kind of flat one. So the color I'm going to be using is... Wait, I want to see this one. I haven't checked this one out yet. Oh! Okay, the color today I'm going to be using is this shimmery one right here. Glittery shimmery. Here, let me show it to you better. See it? It's this one right there. That one. It's pretty. Okay. So I got my mirror right here.
Yo!
Oh, let me turn the light on. Oh, what does that mean? Oh, yeah. I need it hot. There we go. So I can see myself.
So, you guys, I'm going to use this kind of one.
So let's get started. Guys, I'll be right back, okay? We'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back. It's just gonna pick up my hair. Okay, so, where's the brush?
So we're going to be using
let's get started. Yeah, let's get started putting it on. Just want to rub it real gently.
This one.
See that? Look at that. Yeah, baby. I love saying that. And just my sister she's like, it's annoying. Stop saying that, baby. It's annoying. No. I'm like, help. You see that too. Like, it's annoying too. So like, if you say it, I say it. It's like not fair. That's not fair. You won't make it fair and square, you know, guys. You're not making it fair and square. So if you have a sister, they might be annoying too. They might say it to the big sisters. You're annoying! Stop it!
But they won't say that.
Yeah, they might. You don't know that. You don't know if they might say that, girl. Okay, yeah. So there's one eye. Like it?
And there's choice. Like it.
Now we get on. I'm gonna add some. Okay, no, do the other side. Yeah.
And then.
Ew, you farted?
No.
Ew, she fought. She fought. before you do the blush, you have to put something on your eyes. You don't put anything on her eyes. Like, get in here. Look, 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 look. Guys, do you see anything? No, you don't see anything on her eyes.
You said first we're going to do lipstick.
No, I said first we're going to do our eyes. Wait, I didn't even say any of that. So why?
Is that Jonathan?
What's Jonathan?
Why Destiny's not coming out? Don't put that on top of the toilet.
He's from me too. This is like a mermaid color.
Mommy!
Just think of because. Oh, sorry. So, yeah.
I'm starting with this one.
You know what? I think this one. So, this is how it turns out to be. Love it. It looks pink, right? But it's actually not. It's purple.
Now do you see some?
No, we're gonna add some more. Like this one, this one, this one. This one will show a lot. Okay. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna go on to blush. Bye bye palette.
Do you see it?
Yeah, you gotta do this and then gotta keep adding some more, okay? Now I'm gonna go on with the blushes. I'm gonna use this sparkly pink. They have a sparkly pink. Unicorn blush.
Do you see it now?
It's unicorn blush. Hey guys. Hey, which one should I use? Okay, guys. So she chose for me this one, and I think it's perfect. And it's shimmery, it's pink, everything. Yeah.
Now it's time for me to do my eyes.
Guys, every time you're gonna put blush, you have to smile, or else it won't come out so good. Yeah, so you have to smile.
And you won't get makeup. You won't buy it.
They won't get makeup. They'll get makeup, it's just that they won't really, you know what I mean.
Okay.
Which one did I use? This one. So guys, the color I chose for her was brown.
That's why it's brown means chocolate milk. Right?
Yeah, you love chocolate milk. You see that sparkle?
Do you see that sparkly? This sparkly saw me? Do you see that, guys? Now it's time to make the blue.
Nope. You just gotta do blush.
Hello?
You still gotta do blush.
What should I use? That one. So guys, the one that Brooke choose, she choose this one for me. That one.
The most easy on this one. I'm gonna add some more to that one.
Now I'm done with the blush. Now It's time to do this.
Yeah, we're moving back to lipstick. Oh, you lipstick. Wait. You can't go ahead with A. You can't go ahead without me. Sorry. You cannot go ahead without me. Oh, guys, while we were today, I want to tell you an accident that happened to her today. Want to tell them? Go ahead.
I fell off the chair and
Yeah, when she was getting up, there was like armrests on the chair for when we were eating our lunch. She got up. When she got up, the thing holded her. She tripped over and banged her head on, bang on the counter, and then bang on the floor. So she had to keep the ice back on. Right? And then she started eating her ice cream. She was like, she cried and cried and cried. Okay, back to the makeup. Yes. So, I am using lasagna. I don't know. Okay. Ready? Guys, we're gonna pause you for a minute. We're gonna put our lipstick on, and then we'll show you to see who has the best color. So guys, comment down below who has the best kind of makeup. Who do you think does their makeup the best? Leave it down. Leave it down below on the comments. So, see you later, guys. Bye. Like, subscribe, and share. See you later. Bye.